We are here. I know, so now wait for a long time. But by popular demand, guys, just in case you're wondering where we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Make sure start as me reach, so na miss nothing. As me reach, me make sure start. We see we have way. Look a guide map. Ben. Ben, welcome, Ben. We know you wait for a long time. Yeah, me telling you say we I got early. Me telling you say we I got early. So here we are. We have a guide map and we are gonna do everything. Hola Kim. Wagwan, welcome in. Why we're gonna do it later? Thank you guys. Tree of Life. So I asked you guys to vote which one of the park you wanted to go to. And everybody Animal Kingdom. I can't believe Animal Kingdom win over Magic Kingdom. Good morning. Welcome in, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. No, it's going to be a beautiful day. It's a little bit less we are here. Thank you, Kate. Look, Tree of Life. Beautiful. You see in a tree, you can see like different animals carved out in the tree. I don't know if you can see it, but it is so cool. You see one lion, eagle, a lot of different things. It is so cool. I love it. And even here, wow. Look at that. Let's see how cool this is. Look at the elephant trunk. Like, then cover here, they are so talented. Look at the elephant trunk when they carve out of the tree trunk. Oh my God, that is crazy. Right, Bang Bang? Good morning. So Bang Bang, you could you tell me morning I said it's there? I say it's there, Bang Bang. The Christmas decorations they up right now. As you guys can see. But this is fire. So they have a little stream right here. Pick up yourself, Bang Bang. Thank you guys. Thank you for liking the live. Okay, so we have our activities guide. Lord have mercy. Let's walk. Let's walk. Let's see what we're gonna do first. Cause when I spend the day with me, you know me, I bring on everywhere today. Let's go. Me no know. Them have entertainment at Guan, dining, animal experiences. Are we gonna do some rides? Are we gonna do some roller coaster rides? Big up yourself, Bang Bang. I appreciate it. You know, I value the good morning, you know. Right? Are we gonna no new friends? No, that we don't know. We need to do some activities first before we eat. As on come and walk with no belly. Guys, as you can see, the Christmas decorations are up. Oh, and we are in November. Getting a Christmas picture friend now. I can bring on one big old Christmas tree them so I can take on a Christmas picture. We said Tasha they no rest, you know, as they come to defend the food. Akuna Makana. Which part they have the dancing? Oh, over here, so Africa. All right, guys. First place we are going is Africa. So let's see what they have over here. We know you all about that. Guys, don't know say the food is a must. Walk with me. Thank you for the likes, guys. It looked pretty busy today. And this is why when me I come here, we like say we're there from early. so we can get to knock out as much as possible, you know. Wow, this is beautiful. Great outdoors. You know, we are all foodies, so we're here from 8 to 6. We're all foodies. I don't know. This is why we get along. I find my people. We're all big backs, and I love it. Welcome in, guys. Thank you for the likes. So now run up the likes, you know. Guys, you know what I'm saying? The like record that we have right now is 98. 98. Can you imagine? Can't believe. And we got that on the World Food Truck Live. I know so not real foodie because this is what you guys do. Once a food man, we're not gonna be very active. The show is in 10 minutes. I'm gonna have a show. You don't want to watch a show? Ooh, there's a sign, Africa. Let me screenshot this. Africa, screenshot. Yes, that's where we at. I'll put up my pool.
Self-propelling. My Popeye eyes.
Would you visit here? Animal Kingdom. I put up a poll, guys.
Probably like 2 billion. There's so many, like, honestly.
All right. So over here, so you can see. Very nice. I love it. Bebop Wagwan. They will be starting the show soon, so you know we're gonna run up on the show there, yeah.
I feel like once he gets
You know we're gonna run up in that running on that show there. Hi. Hey, Bebop. I'm giving you all the grand tour now, guys. See over there, so I don't know if you can see it. Mount Everest. Let's see how far it is. Pick up yourself. Welcome in. Thank you. They also have the safari tour. We will be going on that a little later. A little later. So as you can see over here, so here so them are gonna have a tour, the show. Them are set up a stage and everything. Dancing, African dancing, all of that. Jeez. That's gonna be nice. I am excited. I can't wait. I'm ready for boom down the place. Boom it down. We're not ask. They have a restaurant, African margaritas. Who want a drink? Jeez. Wagwan. Ricky. Big up yourself. Welcome in. Now screenshot everything. Wow. I didn't want to make you see this show, I know. But probably we have to go circle back. I don't know how long. Place ram, me I tell you, Chopper, place ram today. I don't know what keep, honestly. I don't really know what keep. I am excited. Super excited though. I could go and walk, yeah. Because I know some not like stay one place for long. We'll circle back. Because I said Chopper. No, I never feel it. I never feel it, Ben. Hope everybody's safe. Lion King gift. Now let's check out the gift shop and see. Oh, this nice thing. I like that. A lot of people out today. Whoa, this nice. All right, guys. So, what the gift shop look like over Africa? This is so cute. Oh God, watch nice kitchen stuff. What is a nice apron here? I like it. Mm-hmm. No, we need to know if you don't know how to cook. Eh? Cup with the lion on it. That is fire. Right, watch Tarzan.
Oh, Mama.
That is so cool. That is nice. I like that. Let's walk. Aww. I'm not telling a lie. The covers them, they are very good. I'm impressed. Yeah, food soon. I'm impressed. Oh, there I am. Jesus Christ. Yes. I see a nice like a tree here. I like this one. It's pretty cool. Let me screenshot this. I like it. African theme tree. Over here, so them, if you want your temporary henna decorations, yeah, they're doing that. That is nice. Them I do everything though, except the show. Except the show. Them have to go down. And if everybody away from them, come on, go run up on this and boom it down, you know? Yeah, I want to rush out on this stage.
Do you know what time it is? I don't want you to know. You bother me.
Guys, it look like we have to go circle back for the show, yeah. I don't know where them are deal with you now. And everybody there pan up and wait, you know. It's fine.
Wait. Where we going? That way it doesn't stop.
It's okay.
Get more of that.
Guys walking. Let me see what else them have around here. Because even though me come here before, I still know. Go everywhere yet, you know. All of them places look new to me. Fairly newish. Sure delay, you come like them put you off. I don't know, I want him. I know say Jamaican don't know time, but I never know say over here, so they stay with the time too. Look at us having something in common, that's crazy. That's crazy. Bang bang, I'm so excited, you know. I was so excited about it, honestly. Screenshot, oh dear friend, secure the food spot. Definitely. Definitely, the food spot is a must all the time.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a restaurant, oh, festival, oh. Guys, man, tell you, see, any which part you see line, just know say food are go nice. Anywhere you see one line, you know say the food nice. They eat me use, you know. You know. If not, then well, that's crazy. This one not come like a food line. Oh, it's a different show, Lion King show. So much festival they have here, so. Guys, you don't want no drum, I have to go pack one barrel, wanna say. See barrel over here, so you know. Excited too, cause me I look not true. Barrel over here, so we can just take one and pack the barrel, wanna say. I love the picture of you, dude. Thank you. No new friends. Let me see it. Missy say you take I want you take today. I was so surprised. I was so surprised. That's crazy. Get me two, please. You got it, Tasha. We circle back to see show and I just want to bring on this. I put up about the show. I just want to see the show. Honestly. But there's like a boom doggy place. Them even have Asia over here. I'm gonna bring it over Asia when we're done. So let's see. Alright, the background of the show. Thank you, Kim. Thank you so much. Appreciate your feedback and all your kind words and support. Thank you guys. It really means a lot. Jumping at the barrel and come. Not true. God almighty. I don't need for the bang bang. Because in this economy, Jesus Christ, it's cheap. I could travel on a barrel, in a barrel. And you know, my manga, you know, I'm a short. So I could have fit like a glove, wanna say. Guys, I'm bringing away some excitement there, yeah? Because you know, we don't really like it boring thing. Bringing away the excitement there right now, you see? Now walk, gonna tell the people them excuse and nobody push them down because I don't want to stay. Open your, ooh. All right, this is nice. Open your eyes to see the world around you. Gorilla Falls. And go on a trail. All right, maybe we'll see what we can do now. We're up on a trail, guys. Keep your eyes open. You don't know what you might see. Gorilla Falls. Lord of mercy. All right. So we have a yes or no. Mercy. I try hold the phone as steady as possible, you know. Do you have a Jimby? What is a Jimby?
Yes.
I don't know what is that. Please observe, no food permitted. There. So we're going. Lord have mercy, me feel nervous you know. See there? While walking, no eating. Jesus. Oh, me have one of the house. Me never bring it with me cause when me go out, me not like all of the extra stuff then. Me just like be free and you know and travel light. Maybe I should. Maybe I should bring it and see the difference. Thank you. Once I know say I have me power bank, then I say, alright, that is all I need. I wonder if I can get one of them if I travel pan, because this look nice, you know. Guys, when I look around, I don't see nothing. Yellow back. Oh, yes. Oh, we see something. Hold on.
Yellow back.
Yellow back. Duck. Yeah, whatever it said. Oh, wow. Guys, zoom in. Look at that screenshot. That can do me good. Wow, that's such a beautiful color. That's nice. There's the information right there. Screenshot that. It's nice. Miss Shanti say, I'm glad to see this because we're planning to take our son to Disney Magic Kingdom next year. And also, I like Animal Kingdom, but wasn't too sure if it's interesting. This, well, you're on the perfect channel then, because this is what we do. This is what we do. We're bringing the places and showing around. And you know, book your trip. Jesus Christ, hold on. One NPT. NPT. I don't like his snakes and stuff. Oh my god. You like the ears? Thank you. That was a it was a yellow. Me tell you no name, man. Remember say me tell you no name already. As I say now, but me like wear it other way. So my ears then show up good. Come out of the glass. Oh, what kind of line this? Oh, what kind of line this? I'm excited to go. Oh my gosh, you're gonna have so much fun. And he's gonna love it. You're gonna love it, honestly. Guys, we're in one traffic jam. Me never see traffic jam when you walk. Can you imagine? Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm at Disney. I'm actually at Animal Kingdom. Oh, look on the fish. Them fish are pretty. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Wow.
What color are they?
I like that.
I'm walking, you're walking.
Oh, well, fishy. Well, then you know you have clean water.
This is a whole trail, guys. Whole trail right now. So if we walk, we're gonna do the safari tour. We're gonna do some rides, some roller coasters. We're gonna eat. We're gonna do everything. So I'm just. Oh wow! Nice little waterfall. Look on the little bird. This is nice. Wanna say good? I like it. This relaxing. Like me could have just there so the whole time. Honestly. Yeah, we get through that traffic. I have a poll vote up, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys. Everybody, I see this. Jeez. Oh, wow. We're trying to see. Are they there? I know, right, Summer? I know, right? Now try to give it a good view. There it is, it's coming. Oh my gosh, guys, look.
Come on, kids.
Jeez. Oh my god. Wow. That's huge. Wow. That was a good view, right? That was huge. Wow. Let me get that screenshot. That was awesome. They are so slow. They're excited. Hey, Bagar. That was huge. A good thing them in a water, cause if them did ever, a good thing them in a water, cause if them did ever depend land, everybody would have run. Oh gosh, guys, people, look at the zebra. You know, see? I don't know if I can squeeze through here. Can you guys see? Are we seeing it? Wow. What is he doing? That's a zebra. Wow. Trying to eat. Oh! And what kind of dog them there? I want a mongoose. My mama. Yes, Kelly. Hi, welcome in. We're at Animal Kingdom doing the live tour. Giving you guys a live tour. Them they look like a mongoose though. Oh, what them there? He hiding his head behind the tree. Yes, he is. Screenshot. Wow. And look at this one, just chilling all the way on the top. I would not run. Wow, guys, that's beautiful. All right, let's walk. Meerkat. Oh, that's what they name. Thank you, Summer. I don't know enough. It does look like mongoose, right? All right, guys, we are continuing the live tour. Thank you for liking the live. Thank you for the thumbs up. No, over here, so pack up in. I think over here, so the gorillas are. Let's go and see if we can see. I don't know if we can. I don't know if they're out as yet. We're gonna look at the gorillas. Yes, yes, they're here, guys. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my God, screenshot. Cheyenne, welcome. Oh, that Melanie with that. Oh my gosh, guys. I know. You're not change your DP. Oh, they are so cute. Screenshot. Oh, he's having fun. Wow, look at that face. I know, right? He is loving the attention. Yeah, we go live every Sunday. Every Sunday on YouTube. So nice. Ah!
Being funny, huh? Look at this big guy.
Antoinette! Ooh. Wow. Right? Hi, Antoinette. Oh. He's giving us a show, and I love it. I love it. Diva, it sounds like a year, so you need to bring them. Oh. Oh my gosh. Justice, Wagwan. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. You want a screenshot? Me, I take screenshot for days. He is putting on a show. I love it. I love it. Big up yourself, Damian. Wagwan. Thank you, guys. He is a vibe. Me like him. We're there. We are at Disney World, Animal Kingdom. I do have a poll vote up, guys. Oh my God! What? I do have a poll vote up. You guys can answer it. Would you visit here? Wow, that is so cool. All right, time to go. Let me give somebody else a look, you know? Let me give somebody else a look. They said the big one them all the way down here, so I could go look and see. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. The big one. Jeez. He is so cool. Just chilling. Aww. He is right. He does look like a really yardie. Wow. It means to get a good screenshot for this one, because he is fire. I ain't gonna lie. He's a vibe.
I was playing with it first.
Oh wow. So she said he is the dad of the family. His name is Chino. Wow, he's 44. He's gonna be 44 at the end of December. He have kids, but they have all girls. He is so relaxed. I just love this. Like, he's a vibe, but not like. You can see the pitney them bad. Right? I love that. That is it. I see another one that they are chill too, you know. And that with your Brits. Limit. All you need to do is just one thumbs up and that's it. Nothing else. Thank you, guys. Oh, he's the coolest. Let me get a screenshot. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys. So that was Chino. What am I saying name? Chino, Chico. I don't know who it is. But that was so cool. I see the kids, well, the babies, very energetic, full of life. I love that. When you feed some grass, you see a big grass and vegetable them eat, and you see them healthy and strong. What does that say? What does that say? Let's go in on the bridge. Jeez. We just shake it down, I like that. Mm-mm. Grass, eat grass. Yeah, dear man, eat grass, you're healthy and strong. Thank you guys for being here with me, enjoying the tour of Disney World Animal Kingdom. Mm-mm. Yeah, look for see whales with Mirat, guys, look up in that tree. Jesus Christ. Watch out. Oh wow, that's unexpected. I was not expecting this. Hold on, screenshot. Jesus Christ. That's crazy. We have a lot to do today. Ooh, ooh. Oh my god. Like him actually a tear down the tree. That's great. Look Penny dad. Look Penny dad. Calando. Big up yourself. Thank you.
Oh my god. He's a big dad.
Yes, they do have rides. We're gonna do some rides. They have a oh my gosh, look at the silverback. Look at the silverback. Guys, I am so excited right now. This is crazy. Wow. They are huge. Yes, he said them not travel alone. Look at this one. I want to see oh man come down what I tree. Jesus Christ. Thank you, big up Ronald from Costa Rica. Look at him sliding. How cool is this? That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. But not tell a lie. I'm glad I get to catch that on camera because I was kind of worried. How was he gonna get down? That is so cool. Isn't that cool? Wow, I love that. Let me get that screenshot of him. Yeah, I was a little bit concerned. Like, how am I gonna go down? That is nice. So him go up and him go pick him food and then him just slide down. That is so fine. Not him walking with the food. Screenshot. I love that. Yes, to the curry goat, big of yourself. Miss Brown, thank you. Appreciate it. Wow, that's fire, guys. I love it. So him go pick him fresh. Whatever they call it, breakfast, lunch. Fresh off the tree, literally. Mm-hmm. Literally. You notice them I keep them distance. Them to teach people like that with your hand today. It's smooth and easy. Well smooth and easy. That is so cool. I like it. I might if never seen take off the run come over here. You know, what spring off, you know. Guys, when I can run. I just keep my eye opening up at any time. Jesus Christ, I'm move a little closer. Guys, make a dress back. It's not look safe, you know. One thing.
The gorilla.
Oh, I might get food. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow. This nice. Me not tell no lie. Me I learn a lot just by watching them. You see? Everybody just go out, go find them food for themselves.
You can't walk away, okay?
Wow, that's beautiful. I like that. Ah, okay, moving on. Let's go. That was a good show, right? Me get screenshot videos. Let's see what else we have over here. So, oh,
Sorry, no, you're good. You're fine. Go ahead.
Let's walk. Right now, guys, the park very full. It's been a while since me see the park full like this. So me not even forget on the rides, the line them are gonna be crazy. Me not, yeah, the line them are gonna be over an hour. Yeah, I love that. Yeah, me too, Kim. Nice bamboo. Come on. Nature is so beautiful. Jesus. Waterfalls, all of that. Oh wow, this is one with the long ear, don't care. This is one with the good ear. You know see him? Look at that hair. You know see them? Brazil, big up yourself, Mario. You can't see? Hold on, me zoom it up better. It is therapy. I agree. You like the place? It look like a tail? Yes, at his head. Look. Look at his head. You see the tail? Look up. Look at him like he's looking directly at us. That's crazy. They have some pretty hair. I know, right? What a trail long. I don't know what is a trail long, so you know, guys. The trail are very long. But me like say them have look apart. If you want to sit down, you can sit. That is very cool. And all right, exit. Okay, we finally made it to the exit. Very barely. When we do the tour, we are gonna go up on the safari tour in at the truck, and them are gonna bring her around. So hopefully we get to see. Hopefully we get to see like one lion today, or you know something big. No, we're not leaving there all day. What do you mean? We're there all day. Guys, you know so much stroller and that type beauty about here. You bring a stroller and you not have to walk with your picnic in your hand. Tired out your hand, you know? So they just push them around. Simone! Welcome in. Big up yourself. How you doing? Screenshot Amber Market. Let's see. Chicken and shrimp rice bowl, chicken rice bowl, shrimp bowl, beef and lamb, pita, chicken Caesar salad, passion fruit. Jesus. What animals are we looking for? We're just looking in out. Hopefully we see a lion, but we know we're going to probably see it on the when we do the safari tour. But it is hot right now, so me not think say nobody are go out yet. Cause they not like out. They like out when it cooler, when it's a little bit cooler. But there's so much to do. We also have rides to do. But right now, guys, the line them long over our wait. We eat more that talk truth now. Talk truth now. We can't focus, none at all. Antoinette. Simonette, big up yourself. Thank you for being here, as always. All right. We're gonna try if we go up on a ride. The Yeti ride. Don't know if I do the Yeti ride. What is this zoo called? We're at Disney World Animal Kingdom. Come and also no one see me go up on one of the ride. Them go high up in the mountain. And they fling with so and they fling with so. Yeah. Yeah, Kimani. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. This is the back of the tree. Remember when we did just come in, you know, see the front? See back, you know, them have hippo around the what else? All. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Zoom up. Look at that, guys. This is the tree of life. It is crazy. It's the details for me. Me not tell no lie. You see how many things? Fire. I love it. So right now we are gonna see how long the ride is, and then yeah, the tree of life, they have all different animal carved out on the trunk of the tree. It is so cool. When you get closer, you can get to see the actual details, but trust me, it's something to see. I like how they do the ceiling here. Of course, Kimani, this is what I do. Every Sunday, I bring you guys somewhere and I show you, you know, give you the tour. You get to experience it with us. And I love it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. You know, now is the time. That tree's aside, it really is natural. That alone catch my eyes up. Bang, bang, bang. It is so cool. Like, I don't know how people think about these things, but that's creative. Right? Levi, look like this is the park you're leaning into, you know. I can see that Magic Kingdom that they really they know up on their list. All right, you see if a girl you have, you know them love Magic Kingdom with the princess and the fairy tales and all of that. But you see if a boy, I think they would have more lean into the Animal Kingdom because, you know, more interactive, and even though the females, the girls, they would love it here too because, you know, them normally love animals. But, you know, Magic Kingdom kind of sell the dream, the fairy tale dream. That's exactly what my husband said, because we have boys. There it is. Well, there you go. If you have boys, there it is right there. Animal Kingdom is the way to go. And if you want to, you probably can visit 2 parks in one day as well. All up to you if you have time. But I do suggest you just do 1 park so that way you can enjoy the park. Come early so you get the full experience, you know. Join the line rides from early, because the longer you wait, the longer the lines be. You don't want to waste your time at the park just being in line all day. So believe me when I tell you, I have all the information you need if you're coming here at Disney World. I don't know why they don't make me like an ambassador or something, you know, because you know we're there all the time. Like, we need to have a meeting. Yes, this is the Garden of Eden. Okay, so up here, Mount Everest. Wanna see that? That ride, that's what we're gonna go on right now. That ride is what we're gonna go on right now. What's the best time you think we should be there? Okay, preferably if you want to come here like in the weekday, like on a Tuesday or Wednesday, if you can, that would be great. The park is not really full, but especially now it's like a seasonal time going into Christmas, Thanksgiving holiday time. It's gonna be busy just about any day of the week, especially when at Christmas time when people are off. You know what, I need to screenshot this. Thank you so much. And yes, I'm going to have to send them an email. I have a boy I take into the, yes, boys love the zoo. Boys love animals and those stuff. We are walking. Guys, me say, when me don't scream out my throat, I say, Jesus Christ, mercy. I'm trying to get around, but can't get around. There we go. Oh my God, jeez. Guys, I don't know if you want to see that ride. So, this ride, the Mount Everest, the Yeti, so they call it. You see that all the right there, so it will come through. That drop is in Jesus Christ, I don't know why I'm going to do this to myself again. Why may I do this to myself again, Father God? At this point, I kind of have second thoughts, I don't know. Your son is going to ride. Let me check the line. Check the line for the ride. Because sometimes I show you the line. How long? Fast lane. Oh, you can talk to me while I wait. Thank you so much, because I'm really thinking about all this, because I don't know anyone that's been to Disney World before. I know. So, oh, look. Right here, so right now is the time. I have all the information you need. Every information you need. Just ask. Just ask.
It still goes by fast.
All right, let me tell you. You see, Animal Kingdom, you learn a lot, It's not just like Africa, it show like different cultures as well. Yes, different cultures as well. It is very interactive, and that is what I like. You have the safari tour, like say you would have the Africa for true, and you would have go up on that ride, and you see like all the zebras, and you see, oh, how much you see me telling them I have all the information. Well, I have the annual pass. I'm an annual pass holder, so that a 1,000 something. You pay for that, and you can just come here anytime you want. So that's why I'm there so much. No, you can definitely go on the website and see like how much for a day or so. But that's the one that I have. And that make you go from all of the parks to Animal Kingdom, which I love, which you guys love. Magic Kingdom, which I love. Yet to do the Princess Tiana ride. Still haven't done it as yet. But
I don't know if I like that.
we want to do it very soon. Where is it located? Orlando. Big up yourself. Anox from India. Big up, big up. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Guys, this the rider line. Another tip, let me tell you now. So make sure say if you don't want to get too faster, even though you come with a family, you're going at the single rider line, because that way it's the second best to fast. You not hear me? I need to put in my earphone. It's the second best to like you get a fast lightning pass. If you want, you can purchase a lightning pass, so that way you can skip. You good? Thank you guys. That way you can skip, and you get through faster. But for me now, where they are so all the time, why would I do that? Like, come on, why would I do that? Where they are like every week or every other week. So
And they like, I feel like
I'll do just make sure so you don't come early, join the line from early. Also, if you go to Magic Kingdom, do Tron. That is my favorite ride. I don't know if you ever watched that movie named Tron. Yes, I love it. It's like a motorcycle roller cycle ride. Fairly new. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. So they need to do something for me. I understand. They need to do something for me. Honestly. And you would love it. All of these live stream that I do, I save them in a playlist called live stream replays, so you can watch all of them. Do you go to Magic Kingdom today? Not today. Not today. We went to Magic Kingdom I think 3 weeks ago, and I think last week we went to Epcot because they had a food and wine festival. They always have a food festival, and because you know where food is, we did love that one too. We did love that one. We did got Epcot. Epcot show you different food from all over the world, and they just got an earthquake. I know you lie. Everybody good? At the reflection of the sun, you know, my skin already so untrade. At the reflection of the sun. And I like, yeah, we good. So guys, let me tell you, say, we go in at the single rider line. If we're not going at the long line, we're not probably there for y'all 1 hour. Now the single rider line, it does take time. It does take time, but still not as long as if you would have go on a regular line. Yeah, me remember Ben, me remember. Thank you. Oh, make me show now our reach. So, you can see the ride over there, so I hit that. See there, so we can actually see. We can actually see the ride that we are going to go on. And see the line, yeah. We just go around and go around, and then I weed that. So, it's not too bad. Like for a weekend, you know, but it could have worse. And then after we do this now, you know, so we are going to get some food. Because that with me, me like knock out some things. Get as much as I can out the way. We're going on the Mount Everest, the Yeti. This right there, it bring you up in the mountain and you'll drive in a reverse. Tony other way. I don't have advice when me done after this. When it's one of the nicest right here. We do have the Avatar ride too. Love the Avatar ride, but the only thing it's like when you're going out, you have to let your phone in the locker, so you're not gonna get to experience that with me. So I'm like, no, I'm me on a part today, so I have to make sure so anything with me I do, you can there with me. Because that me tell you if you vote, you know, I say which park would you guys like to go, and everybody vote Animal Kingdom. So here we are. We ride with yes, please. Thank you. If you hang up on it. Hello Diva, make sure say you're there. Cause you need to tell your son and tell your husband, and when the live done you can share it to them so they can watch it, so they know if they want to do it for real or they want to go to Magic Kingdom. Antoinette, look, you don't know me a little bit too much. You understand? We're not going to do this with you guys. So another question, since I feel away, everybody eat already? Like me know me don't share food with it already and stuff. Everybody eat already? Like what's for Sunday dinner? Are you going to? No, I'm not going to Magic Kingdom today. Not today. I do have Magic Kingdom videos, live videos already posted. So if you want, you can check out my page. Go on my page, want to see my page. You will see live, and it shows you all my live replays. So even this one will be there too. When me done, I go post this. So just in case you miss anything from the beginning, you go see it. You can rewatch it. Simonet is still there. Simonet after there. Here came. Pork lion and roasted potatoes. Give me a get beer. This nice too. I love that for you. Not no bad. Yes, I will check out your magic. Yes, check out the Magic Kingdom. Lydia, well done, Lydia. Fruits and vegetables. That is healthy. Are you a vegan? Vegetarian, Martin? Like, you said what? Fruits and vegetables. Me have to eat that on the side. Remember me other say yes. Me know so you just have to wait for the time for, you know, boom that down. Period. Lydia, big up yourself. Welcome in. Thank you for being here, guys. One piece of something. Fried chicken with bangji rice, beetroot. Simonet. I say from you call the chicken, you call my name. From you call the chicken, you call my name. Oh, if you have fried chicken at this time, I do. I want it. I want it. I got to order food, 2 bags of fries, burger, drink, cupcake. Oh, that's not bad. Love that. Ben, enjoy. That's on the menu. Love that. You know, say I'm going to try because when you tell me, say I need to try fried plantains with cinnamon and nobody never tell me that before. Fried chicken, I love it. Nobody never tell me say fried chicken. Nobody never tell me say plantain nice with cinnamon. Like anybody else ever try that combination? That's crazy. I can't believe it. As a big back, like how can we not know that though?
Yeah, I'm gonna 3 because I'm maybe.
Guys, thank you for the likes. Everybody who tap up the screen. Thank you so much. Everybody who vote. Check up on yourself. We're waiting. Let me show you how far we reach. See we're there? We just grow in that little part there so and go back around and I weed that. See there? Easy. The other line is an hour and a half, so we actually are doing good. We're actually doing good right now. Stew pork and rice. Oh my! I haven't had stew pork in so long. Guys, I am so nervous going on this ride. Like every time I go up on it, my heart just give out. My heart literally give out. But you know what? You can't. This is not the place for that, Brits. This is not the place for that. Just the thought, it's supposed to taste good, right? Me have to try. Anytime I go home and get ripe plantain, I go try. No, I'll know me not eat it. I want to do the right there first and then we go eat. Can you see, as you reach a park, you can't just go eat. So you have to like do something and then you eat. You understand? You do? Oh my God. I know you don't say. You don't say. A woman can get one. You know, so I should have had one though. I wish I could have had it. Oh my gosh. I have it on my page. Under my videos. Alright, when this done I can add it to it. Really? Why didn't I add it? Hold on. Say no more.
I was about to fight for something.
Say no more. Wanna see it? May add it.
Oh, girl, I'd never tell you.
Wanna see it? May add it.
I don't know anything about it.
I don't know if you guys can see it. Hello, Wagwan.
No, it's just like.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You said what?
Yeah, me too.
Thank you so much, Ray. Ray, you didn't. Like, come on. What? What? Guys, I did. All right. I don't know if you guys can see it. I pin the pendant. Once you see my product right here, my card, once you click it, you will see it. And that's where you can get it to purchase. Thank you so much, Ray. It means a lot. Best to ride before you eat. Do you see it? Let me know if you see it. Yeah. This is it is stainless steel. And I've had it for a long time. I have this from like last year, December. And you see, it's still good. Thank you. Oh, she's asking about my pendant. Where can she get it to purchase? So I pin on my cart where she can buy it. Where do I click? It's right there. It's a pin, and I did. You don't see it? I don't know. I see it. Thank you, Kim. Kim see it. Thank you, Kim. Once you see the, like a little gift box. I don't know if it's a bag. Once you see a bag, you click on it. A bag on the screen below at the bottom of the screen. It's up. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I don't know how to see it. Kim, I see it though. Which part? Tell them which part them feel look, Kim. Because I don't know if my screen is showing the same as your screen. Oh, it's up at the top. At the top, hit pendant. Then hit the box with the arrow. At the top, hit pendant, then hit the box with the arrow.
I made people fall.
The exercise good, I love it. Guys, we soon get through, you know, look. See we there? As soon we, well, not really next, but you know. Yeah. Oh. Well, I do have it on my videos as well. So if you go to my a soon time diva, if you go to the videos, because we do Rum Earth series where we cook every Wednesday, we post a new video. You know, we cook for you and all that stuff, showing you about the culture, keeping the culture alive one meal at a time. Here, Rashawn. In that video, I do have it pinned on that video as well. So if you can't find it here, you can just go on one of those videos and you will see it, because I'm sure it's there. Any video where you see me wearing this, it is pinned. Hi, Wagwan, Ambia, CMSO. Right, that's Antoinette. Thank you, Kim. Love from Earth. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yes. I show you how to cook. It's in my store. Maybe I'll see it there. Thank you, guys. I already showed you guys how I cook chicken soup. curry chicken, you know, ackee and saltfish, all of that good stuff. So once you go to my page, you will see all those videos, how to cook step by step, everything. Yeah. If you're there Jamaica or you're there foreign, wherever you are, you can just get all the ingredients, you know, get a nice meal or remind you of home. Even if you don't know how to cook, that is why I'm here, because I don't know either. I'm just showing you what I learned and what I know from my parents, what them teach me, and when me watch and see them I do. That's how we know. I got the rest. Oh, it is so good game. Thank you. And how you cook bang bang, bang bang. That is it. How you cook dumpling. Period. You got it. You got it. Right? Guys, as soon we know, look, we're almost there. Almost there, you see? We are going. Oh, you seen it now? Pick up yourself. Do you have the fried dumpling? Oh, I should post it. I have it. I'm going to post it. I have it. I still haven't edited it up to post it yet. So I'm going to do that. Yeah, you see, Simone, them have me busy. Learn from my auntie how to cook. My mom didn't do much cooking. Well, you know, I'm glad you have somebody to show you still just the same, you know? Because we all learn from different people in our house, whether your grandmother, self-internet, whether your grandmother or your mother, father, grandparents, auntie, nephew, niece, cousin. You know, say you're not dead for hungry. I learned it before to fry an egg. Whole vote, as so much I want to say, whatever. It look like Miami's wish. I want to check it out to know how. Don't worry yourself, Samantha. I already have the video. I just need to edit it and drop it. I already have it locked. Yeah, I got you, okay? Thank you. Let me screenshot this. Can't believe nobody else are waiting in line for me now. You know, wait with me, that's crazy. Alright guys, as soon we remember say when we are going at the line, maybe me have to go lock on up in the phone first, and then after when the ride start, me take on back out. Yeah, so no act normal, please. And me no want nobody too loud. Me no want nobody to scream. Can't remember say me have to hide, you know, you see. You want to see the ride, so me know the even, me know say yeah, wait. YouTube too, yes. Alright, let me flip on around here now, because I have to make it see a camera see a flip. Here, if me say them loud, you see, them very loud and boisterous. Guys, me just have to act the phone normal like so, you know. Me not really do nothing on the phone or long, you know. So just bear with me. Me soon angle now when we're going on a ride. Thank you for the thumbs up. Wow, thank you guys so much for liking the live, giving it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Jesus Almighty. Thank you.
How many? Row 8.
Guys, see we are ready. God Almighty, why didn't put me in front? Jesus Almighty. Jesus Christ, then put me with somebody else. God of grace, then so we have to go take off my glass. Take off my glass and my hat. I have to take off my glass and my hat, guys, because you know I come down though. Jesus have mercy. Me I go hold and pound it tight. Jesus, guys, are you ready? Are you ready? That breaks me nervous. Lord have mercy, Jesus Christ. Lord of mercy. The picnic must have said, no, sir, this is a big old snotty here.
If the cargo bag in front of you. Again, sticking with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And please, don't bust miembros del equipo de expedición Everest. Una vez a bordo, coloque sus objetos personales en la bolsa delante de la silla para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la
Guys.
y por favor, cuide a los niños.
Lord God have mercy, Jesus. I'm done. Una ready? Una ready? Jesus! Why? Let's go! Guys! I am screaming! Trouble in it, holy bad trouble in it! Why? Let me hang up on the tight, yeah? Jesus Christ, mercy! Alright guys, we're gonna reverse. We're gonna reverse now. Father God, Jesus is mine. We're gonna reverse. We're driving a reverse. Jesus! Woo! More clock. Jesus Christ. Where are we? Me not see us. I'm sorry.
Where's me?
Where me there? Me look at me see myself. Jesus Christ, me tired. I don't see me. I don't see us. See me? Look at guys. Look at us. Jesus Christ, that's crazy. Oh my God.
Around the village. There's water down there.
Guys, this is actually a bit concerning. I don't think this is healthy, you know. I need some time to get on myself. Did you guys see that ride? Did you guys experience like that? Like, based on everything, do you think you would do that? Would you do that ride? Like, honestly, if you had a chance to come here, you. Maybe I was holding. Hang on, you see. Look, this is the ride we just did. Look, we are watch. And we're gonna see the other people ever come down outside. Look, this was us. I would have cry. Look there, see there? You see them I go up screenshot. You're gonna see how them come outside. Look. You know look good. Jesus have mercy, Mr. Jesus on the cross. You would, Antoinette? Ben said no. Diva said mother cry. Look there. Jesus almighty. That's crazy. Traumatized. Yeah, that's what we did. That's what all I wanna just do. That's why all I wanna tell me say me figure do. This when you look at that, you see what I'm going through. You see why I'm acting the way I do. This is not healthy. The reverse took me out completely. Because it go up cool and manageable and you say, yeah, you know you can manage and all right. The reverse, don't hear that. Don't hear that way. Big up yourself, bro. Welcome in. Oh, Jesus, guys. Abnormal behavior. I outgrew it since I was a child. And the part of the real was right. So you know, say that alone give me anxiety. Guys, me hungry now, you know. I wanna say, time to eat. Hungry. Not gonna spend a whole day with me over here. That's crazy. Eat, yeah, food. Yeah, man, you have to calm my nerves. Now you see the reason, Diva, why you don't eat first. Cause trust me, me not think your food would have settled right there, so. Me not think your food would have settled right there, so after you do that the right day. A lie. So that is why you do a ride and then after you go eat, calm your nerves. You see how that work? Thank you for the likes. Almighty Christ, me never ready. Exactly. That's the whole reason for that. I want to tell you guys thank you so much. We made it to 150k subscribers. Yo, we're not the real MVP. Me not telling a lie. The amount of love and support you guys show me, it is, trust me, it's incredible. And I have to take the time out to big on up each and every one. I don't know. Could I never do this by myself? It's definitely because each and every one, I don't know. You understand, love and love alone. Keep hydrated. Yeah, we are going to get some food, you know. Thank you, Tasha. Look at the big old dinosaur, yeah. Okay, I'm not telling a lie. I don't know if the tree are real or fake, but they're well green and luscious though. Well, if I time I walk in and see some tree so vibrant, you know, and look strong. But you're so right throughout the year. Them thing up. Alright, Ben, big up yourself. Thank you for passing through. Thank you for being here. You're an excellent tour guide. Keep it up. Thank you, Simonette. I do try, you know. I do try. Thank you. Is the food expensive? Well, yes, it is. Yes, it is. But they do have a variety, like different options. So it all depends on you want. If you want to come here and buy steak and lobster, then you have to pay steak and lobster price, you know. If you want to come here so and get, you know, ice cream, more, you know, like a burger or something. Probably about $15. So I had a feeling it would welcome. Dino Island. When we go eat, I'm going to show you the price. So you know, have a little idea of, like a little, you know, ballpark idea of what to expect. You remember the hot dogs? The hot dog was so good. And the hot dog, they long. Some of the things them, because the portions are big, if you want, you can share it. And also too, sometimes if you want to buy like a family style, you can do that. It smell good, man. All right, so over here, so now, look. I'm showing you what I go on. And you know, as your tour guide, I'm gonna give you guys everything. Ribs, chicken, pulled pork sampler, $18.99. Half a chicken, $13.79. That come with baked beans, coleslaw. St. Louis ribs dinner, $16.49. Baked mac and cheese with pulled pork, $12.99. You see what I talk about with the different ranges based on what they are. Pulled pork sandwich, $12.49. Impossible burnt end, $12.29. Smokehouse chicken salad, $11.99. Ribs and chicken combo, $15.99. Flamingo cupcakes, $6. Baked chicken drumstick, like for kids meal and them something. Yeah, you know bad. Let me say not bad. But different places where you go are different prices, you know. So like for a theme park, just know say you come and play like theme park price. It's not too bad. Them have peanut butter and jelly like for kids, you know, some kids kind of not fussy. Them have a hot dog, all beef hot dog, $7.59. And for the drinks, them have like Minute Maid, apple juice, chocolate milk, orange juice, and them thing there. But yeah. So what I talk about, not bad. My kids, well, would you look at that? Would you look at that then? Something there for them then. Something is here for them. Then what are we giving on the grand ultimate touring? No, first me ever go in depth and just I give on the like tour. You know, I love it. Oh, you went to Magic Kingdom? Oh, I love Magic Kingdom. I love Magic Kingdom. Did you get to see the shows? Sharon! Hola! Welcome in, Sharon. Thank you. Happy Sunday. Thank you so much. I will. Safe as well. I love it. I love when all the princesses and the characters dress up, and I love how they use people that kind of look similar with the costume and makeup. Just see, you know, bring the character to life. I love that. It's really the most magical place on earth. It really is. Magic Kingdom is so popular, that's why I want to go. Oh, well, a lot of people too. Like the first time, a lot of people always go for Magic Kingdom, and then after they go the second time, because the first part that I went here was Magic Kingdom. Yeah, Magic Kingdom was the first. My first time coming to Disney World was Magic Kingdom. And you know, you want to take the picture with the castle in the back and all of that stuff. So it is definitely a good, like, you know, icebreaker. You know, the ultimate Disney. I've been to Disney World, show them the picture with the castle in the back. Yeah, that is it. That's Disney World. You understand? You're such a down-to-earth human being. Ah, Sharon! Thank you. I appreciate your kind words, Sharon. Thank you. And thank you so much for supporting my channel. I see you in the comments. You're everywhere. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Big up yourself. So they even do have pizzas too. Not only like hot dog alone. They have like pizza spot. If you want to do, you know, like pizzas and nachos and tacos and all of that, you know. They have that as well. The castle, you know, yes, the castle make you know say, yeah, they are Disney for true. I love how you guys get me. It's like, you know, me just attack. Sometimes I feel like, when it make me feel like me know in a long time, you know. Honestly. Like, sometimes it make me feel like me know in a long time.
Why?
Over here, so-called Tiffins. Oh, them have, oh wow, butter chicken, shrimp and grits, pork duo, tamarind braised shark rib, whole fried fish. Ooh. Sijan noodles, rotted octopus, Korean barbecue mushroom. Them have a whole heap of things over this one, yeah. Yeah, what go on, Ben? What you say? Great for pictures. Because you have a good spirit and you're in it. Thank you. Oh, yeah, man, we're getting hungry. So we're there, I try this side. I decide when we want to eat because the options they're here. Believe me, the options, it's a lot. It's a lot. So, you know, guys, me always I go show you the food spots. I tell you, so there's a pizzeria. They have plant-based stuff too. So if you're vegetarian or vegan, you know, which I always like to include that when I'm posting my foods, because definitely it is a must. We have to include everybody. There's something here.
Finally actually came up with it. Yeah, we were talking about coming down to the party.
Bruce, what you say?
Do you think Liz would let Morgan and Declan come?
Yes, Bruce. No, I'm not like a reaction person. As you can see, I keep my channel based on my channel. I work with the vibe, you know. Like if I see something I like it, I will post it. It have to connect with me. Everything that I do, it's not like paid promotion or paid advertisement. This is what I like to put out there because I know my audience, my people them get me, you know what I mean? Yeah. My people them, I know my people them want. I know everybody meet it. True, true, bang, bang. Yes. I know what my people want, so I give my people what they want, you know? No, because we haven't done the safari tour. Normally when you go on that truck, you bring you around and you get to see all the animals, and that's where we could see the lion. Hopefully we realize the lion are normally out in the sun when it's hot like this, but more when the sun is going down and it's a little bit cooler, you know. You're a vibe. Sharon, thank you. Period. Thank you, Tasha. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Kim. Thank you. No, Ben, that is not what I do. I don't post to ask you guys what you think about the video. I post video because I know my people. I love the videos, and because you see any video I post, when me would I watch myself, and when me watch myself, and me laugh, and when me enjoy. So that's the kind of content I put out. Things that I love and that I know my people love. Yes. That place, oh, you will walk in. At that me know, Diva. Pick up yourself, Sharon. Alright guys, we're in Island and we are wait. We find a spot. Yes, we finally decide where we are going. So now we are waiting with the rest of people them. Okay. Tiffy's screenshot. Okay, I know me I have to post it later. Ah, I know everybody meet it. Guys, me I telling you the truth, you see? I don't know if you've ever tried like vegan or I don't know if you ever try like vegan or ital food before, but if you have, I'm telling you, it just make you feel different. I want some. Wait, guys, run! Jesus, run! Sure. What is going on? What is happening? Oh my God! Oh, that's pretty cool, guys. Look how much we miss it because they are chat. Can you imagine? But we see it. We eat it. No, we make the reservation, so we are wait until a time. But I eat we are wait on the food. I food we are wait on you now. You said take us on your excursion. Yes. I will. I always do. Guys, if you didn't know, every Sunday I bring you guys somewhere with me. And on turn up in island with me, you know, me I tell you the truth. On a very me don't know if this is not me don't know if I'm that entertaining. Me don't know how to do it. When they are wait with me till thy kingdom come and on talk and on chill and on wow, I love it. I love me not think me can do it, honestly. Big up on yourself, man. So I food where I wait for now. I want to find somewhere to catch up and sit down. Patience, yeah. Patience. Thank you, Sharon. No, I'm glad to be with you on so on our many trips. Thank you, Sharon. Sharon, I appreciate you so much. Sharon, you have so much emoji in your name. I don't mean to understand. Like when you are commenting on me, see one whole list of something. Is that intentional? Is that intentional? So pink and purple, that are your favorite color. And is that flag, is it Puerto Rico? Can I have a friend from Puerto Rico, you know, me not tell a lie. Them is a vibe. A Puerto Rico? Hey, Zachary. Oh, Cuba! You're from Cuba? And so me say Cuba get earthquake. Guys, prayers up for them, guys. I be things are going, you know. Just make sure say every day when you live good with people here. Thank you, Antoinette. Live good with people, you understand? Every day make it be a day for you. Wanna be positive, wanna be nice, wanna be kind. You know, put a smile on somebody's face because you never know when at that time, you know. Too much things are going in our world now, so often, more than usual. And Jamaica, yes, I heard. I hope everybody all right, man. And you know, damage no place too crazy. You know, be things are going because the other day I watch one video, I say landslide are going and them something. I say that's crazy.
I was like, man, I'm tired.
My daughter, father, my JA, and now we all live in the US. Okay, sure. Okay, Sharon, you're going with yourself. I love that. I love that. Thank you for sharing. Why, Sharon, tell me all our business. Almighty God. All right, Sharon, big up you. You don't have to tell me nothing else. Because sometimes we get a little bit too comfortable over here. Sometimes we get a little bit too comfortable. Mm.
Last time I had one.
Yeah, so true guys, been telling us that sometimes we get a little bit too comfortable over here. We don't remember what we're there. We don't remember what we're there, for true. So guys, we are waiting for our reservation. So that's why I'm there go and hang out here now. Cause I'm not so not hungry. I'm gonna bring in another cave there, but as soon as me bring on the down in the dungeon, it cut off kind of signal not under there. I'm not like that. So remember me that telling you say about the pizza and the other things them way you can get here. This is it. See, there's sausage pepperoni pizza, pepperoni cheese, cream and pesto, chicken parmesan. Ooh, that not a bad plant-based Italian sausage. Yes, man. Caesar salad, green salad. So this is another option too, if you want. You bring it out and big of yourself, Sharon. Or you sure they will find you? Yeah, they have the app. They have the app, so them normally the Disney Park app. So normally when you make a reservation, it notifies you when them ready for you. You can check yourself, but you know, hey Diva, me I tell you, I get the 411 and everything in a Diva. A lie? Me not even know say it's still there. You know I get the full information and everything. Talk truth. True. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, guys.
Pumpkin chai cupcake?
Jesus, me hungry. Yeah.
You like Uncle John?
Still here. My mother-in-law just came, so I can't let the video play. But I'm back. Oh, big man.
Oh yeah, you still have that.
Pick up you. Thank you, Sharon. I appreciate you too so much. Thank you so much. No matter how much things me post for the day, Sharon, me see your comment and I. Everything me post, your comment and I. That's why I know your name and the emoji them so long. That is why I could have find you out. True. are walking. Whew. Guys, me not tell a lie. Oh my God. Let me show you this, guys. I don't know if you see this where we are going. This view is incredible. Like what? Yeah, guys, we're waiting for food. The food are like half an hour. God almighty. The park full. Me telling us that the park full today. Yeah. Yeah, that not sound bad, Martin. That not sound bad at all. Can I leave this live? I'm going over to Magic Kingdom video. Thank you. Thank you. Diva, make sure say you leave a comment, you know. And another thing, guys, you see when you're watching the videos, you don't have to comment one time. When you're watching the videos, you can comment right through while you not watch the video, like say with the pan live. I'm reply to all and no comment them. I don't know that. Antoinette, you're still here. Thank you, guys. Yeah, and even if you have any questions, feel free to ask it under the video. And I will get to the comment here. Me too, yeah. Oh, wow. What is going on here? Yes, I try my best. I try my best to reply to everyone. Sometimes it's a lot, but I love replying to the comments. I love hearing what you guys have to say. All right, Martin, thank you. Yes, guys, all my live replays I post on my channel. So once you go to my page, and you see videos, and you see videos live. Once you click on the live, it shows you all of my live replays. So you just scroll down and find the one you want. Every Sunday. Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to worry.
Also, we do post every Wednesday Rum Earths. That is our cooking series where we teach you how to cook traditional meals, sometimes from Jamaica or different regions around the world, where we have our guest chef coming in, you know, and they showcase a traditional meal from their culture. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So look out for that. Every Wednesday we drop a new episode. Katie and Dominica felt it too. Yeah, prayers up for them, man. Everybody just be safe. Make sure you live good. Make sure not heart clean, you know. Always do that. All right, guys. So right now we're at Pongo Pongo. I don't know if you guys know what that means, but I'm just gonna call it a bar, basically. Wow, that's crazy you mentioned that name. So, you know, rum, it is very strong, and I think a lot of people can connect to that because even in the Caribbean or different culture, it keeps people together, you know, and the earth is where you get the food from the earth. All of the real food, your plants, your vegetables, your herbs, your spices, your seasoning. And I think overall when both of them come together, it just makes something magical and memorable. So that's the reason. I hope that makes I hope that explains it. Thank you. And it does have a catch. It does have a ring to it. A nice little ring to it. When you say it, you're like, ooh, what is that? Thank you, Kim.
I think people, they have like a fans attack.
So I'm going to see what we are going to get for drink now. Let me see which one I drink them on one. But as soon as we get closer, I will show you guys the menu. And that way we can decide.
Listen, my grandma, we're like, you had a stroke.
He got a ring. Thank you, Kim.
He's talking about, oh, I'll get a double knee surgery and I'll be right again. Yo, he didn't even tell no one about his back surgery. What do you mean he didn't tell them? Who picked him up? He told my grandma, but he didn't tell no one else. Because his back was giving him
He's one of those people like, don't worry about me.
So why, Bing, why you never, you see, these are the questions. Bing, why you never ask me long time?
back surgery for my grandfather.
Why you never ask me long time? You know, say sometimes the most expensive one always tastes bad.
Like, you can't be on your deathbed.
And you have to go get water, Ben, because you're not reach the age yet. So you have to go get water, okay?
Because we went over and I was like, whoa. I did not know, like, messed up that bad. I didn't know.
Boy,
I was
yeah.
like, from what I remember from her last year, I saw that, I said, if I get cancer,
I just love the designs. You see over here? So look, it is so cool.
it wasn't worth it.
Get a run runner. Ooh.
All her hair was not.
I just want to move out of way so I can get when I want quick. But then just in a way, so
Oh my God.
run runner.
Not being able to hold the water.
All right, me see one of them. You have night blossom, layers of apple, dessert pear, limeade, topped with bubble balls. No. Them have the frozen rum blossom Bacardi, rum with layers of apple dessert, pear, lemonade, topped with bubble ball. Oh. Them also have margarita,
We'll talk about Europe as
what a Commentavio, tequila, blue curacao liqueur, lime juice, topped with bubble. That sound like me.
I know. I gotta.
That sound like us.
I'm looking to go.
That's a cool. Yeah, it is so cool.
I already got my whole account.
Pick up yourself bone. In a the way acha. Me say. You know see it too? You know something I forgot too? And them also have beer, country style ale, hog grog ale. Country style ale have an amber ale with spicy hop aroma, or Hawks grog ale has fruity hop with note of apricot and peach. Do we know what we want? Nobody. It's fine. Jesus Christ. So me there just a chat and nobody knows. You know what? Me done. That's crazy. That is crazy. Tequila, yes, let's go with tequila. I know that's right. Yes, me know, you know, because I that me done say. I that me done say. Long time. Me say, Anthony, me say, it come like me know, no, like how me know me and me go. Me done add already. Gotta get that one day. Yeah, cause when me talk, or me say something, me mute it. So that's why. Cheers. Okay, guys, sit here. We got it. Oh, this looks so. Jesus Christ. Oh, wait, look. Oh, wait, go. Talk to me now. Jesus Christ. Guys, talk to me. Wanna say. Wow, it have some bubble ball funny. Wow. It is sour and it has cheers. Cheers. It has, what would I call it? Shaky ice. It's almost like a daiquiri form. I like it. It is not too strong. Bang bang, come down now. Right? Right? Love the color? It is beautiful. If you get a screenshot, we don't know. We don't know. Cheers with me. All right, I think we're on good time, and by the time I reach a time for food, brain freeze. When I say if you get hydrated, I listen to that talk about. All right, guys, we're walking to the food now. Water. Oh, all right, bang bang. Next time I know. Oh, that's crazy. Well, see, that's why I have to be very specific with doing on the sun, you know. It's pretty. I do love the color and the blue. It's good. Hello, Maggie. Away that is it. Big up. I have so many people from India. It is crazy. Thank you. Thank you, Tasha. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I try. It is not easy. I try to keep consistent every day, you know. It's all because of you guys. You guys encourage me. And you look forward to my posts and you're so interactive and supportive. So, you know, it helps me to keep going because you guys hold me accountable. Yes. I'm gonna look forward for me to show up for now, so I have to do that. Thank you. Jamaica. Jamaica man. Oh, really? So, Anthony, that means that you have good ear.
Left with everybody else, and that's every year.
God almighty, guys. Okay, so we take a break. We are wait. As me tell you, say the place full. Let me tell you, say the place full. The place full. And I reach Magic Kingdom yet? No, we're not got Magic Kingdom today. Today just Animal Kingdom alone. Mm. The drinks that taste better than I expect. Me not tell no lie. Roger, walk one. The drinks that taste better than what I expect. I'm hungry, but wait then now. Me have the news to tell you now. Just wait. Me have the news to tell you now. You don't know say. At 2:20. At 2:20 before we table ready. That's crazy. Yes, make sure me take seat over here. All right, but in the meantime, I could talk about the menu. Right, that's what I thought too. So we have the menu here. Them say bread. We don't want a bread. Let's order. Pork, pineapple pork belly. Oh, well, because but because the food takes so long, we have to get some ketchup in my stomach. Pork belly. What wanna say? I hope so to right bang. Lobster macaroni and cheese. You know, listen and tell me no. Signature burger. Shrimp and grits, surf and turf. Butter chicken. Tamarind braised short ribs. Sweet mango sticky rice. Grilled shrimp, grilled steak, grilled teriyaki Thai. Korean impossible meatballs. No, you're not yet one. That's crazy. Everybody quiet. Crickets. Okay, enough crickets, man. Pork belly. That's why they say the pork belly. Alright. Pineapple pork belly and mango sticky rice. Alright, the pork belly, it's like it has chili sauce. It has spicy pickled vegetable slaw. Pork belly with pineapple rice. Jesus Christ. Leave over there, we're trying to order. I'm telling you guys the menu. Waiting for something can be a blessing. Everything. Looking like many times. Hey, you are really. The mango sticky rice sound nice. I don't think we try the mango sticky rice. You know, sound bad enough. Once I say mango, it's like I can't go wrong with mango though. Who say mango sticky rice? Let me see what would I eat that with. I had meatball the other day. Ooh, that's not bad. But that's the menu. That's what we have. That's the options. Oh, Diva, we get drinks. We are drink tequila, fishy meatball. You want the fish? Pork belly have enough meat. You had that before? Oh, that's not bad. I know I food don't know how wait pan. You think it's easy? I can't believe I'm really there wait pan the food. I eat my wait pan too, you know. But I have a question to ask you guys. What is... Are you ready for my question? What I want to ask you now? And it can only be one thing, like one answer. It's nice, but it's nice. The pineapple pork belly and the mango sticky rice. No. Yeah, man, I feel like that we're gonna work with petrol. Yeah, let's do that. I say, you see, if you never make me take it, you see, if you don't ever make me take it and then not taste good, I got to cut down. Oh, okay, Simonette. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. May not have anything to do about weight. Yeah, that is good, Diva. All right, let me ask you this. And this is such an easy question. Thank you, Antoinette. What is your favorite food? Comment your favorite food, like your favorite home cooked food. Let me know what it is. And it can only be one thing, please. I don't want you this and that. Just one thing, like your favorite food you could eat like anytime. Let me know. Thank you. May I wait? Right, I am excited, Martin. I can't wait to see that too. Thank you everybody who liked the live. Look at us. Thank you so much. We're growing. And everybody who respond in the votes, big up on yourself. 126 votes. That's crazy. You like fruits? Are you a vegetarian? You're a vegan, Martin? Chicken sandwich name? You love chicken sandwich? Oh, gee whiz, bully beef and rice. Love bully beef and rice so much. Do you eat your bully beef and rice plain or you put corn in it? Because I don't know how. No, I see a lot of people put corn in their bully beef and rice. I never used to eat corn with my bully beef and rice growing up. My mother could have barely afford the bully beef, much less corn to put in it. Come on. In this economy, come on. I have to say fruits because I eat that anytime. Okay, pasta. Pasta is so good. You can do so much with pasta. Jerk salmon. Ooh. That's good. Have you ever tried... Baby, which one is salmon you normally look about again? Is it onion glaze? Mango salmon? Have you ever tried spicy mango salmon? That is so good. Curry chicken and rice. Diva, you win. I could eat that anytime. Pasta. No corn, just onion. Yes, gee whiz. Respect. No, okay, Martin, okay. Saltfish, ripe, banana, pork chop, rice and peas, shrimp, and chocho. I know say you love chocho in a car and you put chocho in there. Like, come on now, Sharon. Who normally talk about chocho in them food? Nobody? Favorite food and you put chocho, like you love chocho gone to bed. Me only eat chocho in a soup or when I'm cook food, but that's a good one. Brown stew fish, bang bang, that is so good. No, that's awesome. Never. I love macaroni pie. It must have pimento, carrot, sweet pepper, onion, chili. Macaroni pie. Macaroni pie. No man, see man, me have to go research that. Come, I never hear that before. with pimento. See, man, you know, so me have to go check out your menu because your menu is a different kind of food, you know. Too much chicken not good. Why, Martin? I want to agree, but I actually agree, but I love chicken too much. But I eat chicken every day. I have a chicken problem, true. I've never tried mango salmon. Tried spicy mango chutney on the side. Chutney. I know about chutney because Walkers with Caribbean food, they make mango chutney. It's so good. And salamana gonde. Anybody ever eat salamana gonde with crackers? Amazing. Amazing. Plenty of cheese in the pie. Oh, well, overall, I love macaroni and cheese. And I prefer, not for nothing, I prefer the macaroni and cheese when it's wet. Like, I know a lot of people bake the macaroni and cheese and then it dry and then cut it up in a block. Like, give me just a regular box of Kraft macaroni and cheese. Like, just give me that. Especially the shell one. Jesus. Yes, Kraft macaroni and cheese, the shell one. I love it. I also love, I think it's the Ventimita, something like that. So nice. Velita. Veldila. I am screaming. Yes. All right. My grandfather made that mango and salmon. Really, that must taste good. Sounds like good macaroni pie. Right, I gotta try it. So you know them cornmeal cake that grandma make. Are you talking cornmeal cake? Are you talking about cornbread? Never heard of macaroni. It is very interesting, Kim. But me love chicken. Yes, Kim, you'll try it. You will like it. Oh, hey, see, man, me have to go get one book and write down everything what you tell me to try because it all sounds so delicious. Now you know chicken is the national dish. Bang bang, I agree. I agree. Would y'all go to North Korea? Would you go to North Korea if you had the chance? What them have over there? What kind of food? Sasha, hi, welcome in. Tami, you ever heard of rice pie? Simonet, come here. Rice pie. Is that rice but you put it in a pie, you bake it? Oh, you make rice pie, Simonet. Because right now, I'm interested. I'm intrigued. What you say? Simonet, are you a chef? Because I'm a little bit concerned, you know. Cornmeal cake is different. It's a decent moist cake. It's a decent moist cake. Very sweet. Oh, then put sugar in it. Okay. I have to type it for you. Okay. Everything sounds so good. I'm not telling a lie. And this is why I love this channel so much because we have people from all over, how them cook, how them share them culture. And this is why we came up with Rum Earth because they just showcase your culture, all of the food them where you normally eat growing up, how it was prepared, the stories of you growing up. I know I have so much amazing childhood memories growing up with a family. And sometimes when you eat a special food, even like bully beef and rice, when you eat that, I'm like, wow, it just take you back to a place where it remind you of your childhood, honestly. Because right now, I don't eat bully beef and rice so often like when we used to eat it growing up. And even like brown stew, turkey neck. Guys, anybody like turkey neck? Jesus Christ. So good. Turkey neck with pumpkin rice, slap different. I love turkey neck. What about potato ball? Is that the potato and your Simonet? You mash the potato and you make it roll in a one ball with all the things in it. We don't know. What you say? Cornmeal cake, kinda. Cornmeal cake. Hold on, let me see. Cornmeal cake kind of like bread pudding but more heavy. Ooh, I love bread pudding. I haven't had that in a long time. Jesus Christ, bread pudding just wouldn't go there even if I get it for free to get. I like I tell, really, Diva, why? Me like, I love turkey neck. Have you ever tried curry turkey neck? God, yes, everything you talk. Thank you, Sharon. Sharon, I can't believe you're still there. Antoinette, you're still there. Thank you. I love turkey neck, especially. See, look, Sasha, I look like I take your word out of my mouth, girl. You take the word out of my mouth. Honestly. See, Manette, yeah, that's true. Curry turkey neck, white rice. My mouth run like a river. Like a river right now. No, me like corned beef and rice. Not like it. Me don't like it with dumpling neither. Like, me don't know how people think about it just cook corned beef with dumpling. Heat. Alright, you see if a fried dumpling though, like you make in the morning and you make some fried dumpling, me work with that. Me work for that. But like for the boiled dumpling, like come on. You run out of rice, make you cook flour. That part. May that make sense? I don't know if I eat corned beef with them put macaroni in it. Them put the macaroni in it with the corned beef because they must stretch it now. And I remember see the small tin. We don't have it. We can't afford the big tin, so we have to stretch it with the macaroni. Or sometimes them put cabbage. I have Viva bread pudding, love it. I go Paul. I have had potato ball. You have Antoinette? I like saltfish with fried up. Oh, so good. Potato ball with country gravy. Oh my, really? Really? Oh. Yeah, and when I had macaroni gets too much salt. I love cabbage. Cabbage with bully beef. So good. Corned beef with baked bean. Me not even ever try that yet. Me know about baked bean and franks. Me know about baked bean and franks. Me don't know about baked bean and corned beef. That's unusual. Alright, Simonet come with a whole recipe, people. Whole recipe. Make we see what I want. Simonet, pan the floor. Here now. Boil potato crush, saute onion, celery, carrot. Then put crushed potato, add a little milk, mix, add cheese and bake, grease, bake, sprinkle cheese on top, then bake. Oh God, my mouth run like a river. Simonet, you're a chef. Jesus. From you say bake cheese and potato, you win. God is good. Corned beef and cabbage. Yes, Kim. Yes. Hi. Yep, sure.
I'm not asking to move, just scoot over.
Okay.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. No, sit. You can still sit. Sit for a second. Sit. Oh, you good God. Stubborn ladies. I tried. Thank you anyway.
Ben never had net everyone from Frankfurt. Okay. I said they cook corned beef with macaroni, but they put too much macaroni to stretch it. Because it was a small tin of corned beef. Then put, yeah, true. Martin, I do like the corned beef with the macaroni, but you see when you put too much, like, yeah, eat more macaroni and corned beef. Me not like that. Them stretch it too far. Like, it has stretched, it's giving more macaroni than corned beef. I don't, no. I understand what you're talking about, Ben. Honestly. Tell me something, Simonet. In a Trinidad, everything you put in a pie over there. You put everything in a pie. Me just want to know. You pie down everything on a pie? Our potato ball, the same, but roll up in breadcrumbs and fried with country gravy. Oh, that sounds yummy, Kim. I'm just asking. I don't know. She's a pie person. She's a pie person. It's the pies for me. Alright, let me tell you something. You see, I tried sweet potato pie. Anybody try sweet potato pie? Do you like sweet potato pie? And when I tried it, I'm like, oh my God, it reminds me so much of sweet potato pudding only because we don't have the crust. It is nice. Sweet potato pie. I look forward to it. This Thanksgiving. She said, no. We look forward to it this Thanksgiving. It is so good. And it is meaningful enough to cook it. We're not gonna do that. It is so good. But I do love sweet potato pudding though. Anybody else like pudding? Sweet potato pudding or cornmeal pudding? Which one? I eat sweet potato pie already. So good. So I love it so much, guys. When I see me there, I keep on company while you're there with me. When I see, we can just talk along so. Alright, let me ask you, because I asked my mother the other day and she don't know, and she used to make it. Anybody know these drinks where you used to drink a Sunday daytime and they have sweet corn in it? What are the drinks the name? You have sweet corn, you have nutmeg, you have vanilla. It's kind of like a milky kind of drinks. I don't know if you don't know it, but I asked my mother and she tell me say a carrot juice with. I say, Mommy, I never carrot juice. You did that make with corn in it. That wasn't it. She said, it was not. She don't remember what it was. Nobody don't know? You love both? Oh, sweet potato pudding. Yummy. Eggnog. Me want to for eggnog, Kim. Potato pudding is the bomb. So good. You rather eat than cornmeal? You're right. Oh, thank you guys for the likes. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm so concerned about your lunch because I'll know me not see you get it, but I know it's coming soon. Yes, we have 20 minutes. 20 minutes. The reservation makes all that time we're going at the restaurant. Eggnog. It's eggnog. Cornmeal pudding. It's nice. And growing up at that, me used to know about first when it comes to the whole pudding lines of it. But when me taste sweet potato pudding, me say, no sir, this is where it's at. Hello. This be a cornmeal pudding me used to eat first, and then they make me try sweet potato pudding. Me say, oh wow, that's crazy. Romanite? Yes, I think there's a little bit of rum, or maybe a Guinness. We don't know. They have milk and sweet corn. The sweet corn in a bottom. So when you drink it, you have to stir it up. You have to chew it. Let me see. It has to be eggnog. I wonder, I don't know. She don't remember her name, I don't know. Oh no, they have a cake here in England called Jamaican ginger pudding. It tastes like a full of orange peel more than ginger. Them tell me no eat that foolishness. No, what is that? Like, come on now, Diva. Like, come on now. Cake with orange peel and ginger. Like, is it tea? Is it giving tea? You know when you just not have know what to do with something, you just put something together. But cannot. Have you ever drink egg? Just Simonet, we're not gonna do this with you. Simonet, we're not going to do this, alright? You see when I watch the show there, and I see the people them swallow the egg raw. Me can't, it could have never passed my throat. Me sorry. You drink it? Irish mash. I wonder if Irish mash, Dirk. People love use red wine. So me make black cake pudding. Ooh, I love that. It gives tea vibes for true, Martin. Guinness. Ooh, yes. Put Guinness in it. Let me ask you something. So, my uncle, because him they have a fruit stand, right? It's when he come down like for Christmas, him always show different drinks and so we make. And he make green plant juice. Hear me out. I don't want nobody come to me because my face is make up the same way. So what he did was the green plant and get like half a plant, blend it out, right? Blend it out and then use the Lasco, I think a creamy malt Lasco, milk, condensed milk, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon, and I think him use water and then blend it up. Me say guys, God no. It changed my life. It changed my life. Me never really coming in. I expect this to taste so good. Me say, you said what? See me face here when him say, plant. Nice. Jesus Christ. At this point, I just want to blend everything. Them call it ginger pudding. That's crazy. Yeah, I drank it. See my net, we have to have a talk. We need to talk about this. I made sweet potato pudding. You can follow the recipe. Ooh, I gotta check it out, Karen. Tami, I have to go try to remember the taste of the drink when the sweet I true, me remember it, you know, Martin, but me remember it, you know, but me don't know if all of the ingredients in it. Guys, I say 5 minutes. We are walk. Act normal, please.
Okay, I'm gonna quickly just park this. Okay. And I'll get them. I promise. Thank you.
Guys, it's nice. Like this. Aww, you're welcome, Diva. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for joining. Big up, big up. Appreciate you so much. I say Diva left when we finally get the restaurant. More for us. Oh. Wow, guys, it's nice, eh? Jesus Christ, the pot is nice. Amazing. I like this.
Did I tell you about the truffles for the burger?
Finally get through, guys. Big up yourself, Diva. Thank you so much for everything. Oh, you're a vibe. Thank you.
And then in the center, I'll leave our wine list as well as some of our lunch specials, and then Lexi will be over to take care of you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So we're doing great. Perfect. Thank you.
Wanna say if you do the pork belly and what the rice name? Mango rice. I can't remember the rice. Oh my god. Mango sticky rice, that is it. All right. That's the pork belly appetizer. Now, hear me? I put it in my ears. The pork belly appetizer. Would I hear me better? See my neck bigger as well. Thank you for always being here. I appreciate you. Happy weekend. Happy Sunday. All right, cool. Comment me up on your now. Okay, guys. So we will be doing pineapple glazed pork belly with guajillo chili sauce, chicharrones, spiced pickle vegetable soup. Yeah, you know, I'm alright. This time really fun appetizing, you know. The pork belly by itself sounds good, but the what is the stuff? Mm, thank you. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Sharon. How birds? I'm looking up a little.
Welcome to TikTok. How are you doing today?
Hi, sir. Thank you.
Have you been here before? So, your mom, you get from the start, you create and look at the well. So right now you're in a great gallery. We have all the animals are trying to learn. So it's kind of like we're also inspiration for the Discovery Island from the first one of the park. These other rooms we also have as well. One in our room. Next door you see the Imagineers travel. And after that lodge, you have one more room where you can see the travel.
Wow.
Those flavors can translate onto the menu itself. A lot of flavors too, like Asia and some other around the world. Really cool things in the menu. Under the appetizers, the lamb salad. And dessert main courses, both can be from the living with the lamb. Both rides, the drone in the beginning, those are the fish tanks at the end, it's not fish. The fish will be the salad. It is a whole fish that is tail. You don't want to fish looking back at you while you're eating dinner. We do have a filet option. It'll be a carabina. It just won't be with Disney fish. Maybe to start with some drinks. We have especially cocktails in the back. We have a food bar as well. We want like a spicy margarita with some martinis, the bird sugar.
You know what you want already?
I already gave her a treat.
Uh,
You want to read it? What's over?
yes. Thank you.
So the fish on the whole front, and then it's on top of the ball. It's a dry fish. It is dry.
No, right now.
They kind of
There's not on the line. I feel like I love the fish. This was fish before. The pork belly, look at the appetizers out. Thank you, my belly.
yeah, thank you.
Whenever you're ready. I'm ready, I know more. Okay, I will do the pork belly. Do you have the mango sticky rice? Oh, it's dessert? Oh, I thought it was like rice, like. Oh, wow. Okay, I'll do that for dessert. Can I get it all together? Yes. Yes. Mhm. What drinks are you doing? Okay, I'll do a glass of rosé. The sweetest one you have. Do you have sweet wine? White sweet? Whichever one is sweet. I'll do a glass of wine. Mm-hmm. Yes. Tastes is good. Thank you. Vanilla. Vanilla. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Chicken and rice. You said what? Your BF came across my video and said you were live and said that you should come over here. Big up your BF. That is it. Right? Yeah, yeah. Okay, guys. So we ordered. We did the pork belly. Since I'm gonna say that, we did the mango sticky rice and we did wine. And then I'm gonna bring us test stuff with the wine. So that's the best part. But I think we'll like to do the fishing on the whole fish one. You know what? And we just work with one aspect. So that's what we're saying. I mean, not even like pork belly or something. You know. Yeah, we're going with the pork one. Well, that's not calling out the whole government name. I am the Shania Brown. Emmanuel, you just reached. You're late, but you're reached right in time for the food, man. Welcome in. Thank you for being here. I'm excited. So we're already ordered. We're waiting on the food. You can't hear? Anybody else that hear me? You missed the zoo. You missed it. Anybody else that hear me? Chicken and rice. Yeah, I'm going with chicken and rice. Guys, it's when you come to chicken rice, that's that dessert. I'm like, what? I want it all together. So if I'm getting add something and they don't taste for the shit, we are in a problem. Because I want the mango sticky rice and pork belly. And the woman tells me, the waitress tells me, that's dessert. That's crazy. You're excited. Is your media when you're late? You say you're late. No, no, you're good. Turn up my volume. Oh, probably that's why I'm not hear me because my volume did down. Oh, yeah, you're me. All right, yeah, come turn it up. Thank you, Martin. Thank you for blessing. Martin, thank you. I appreciate it. Shout out to Sasha. To shout out Sasha. Everybody, we do have a poll vote going on. I hope, like, I it me interested in it now with one before the link. We need to turn on that one. Can you turn it up a little bit? All right, I have a question. Who who said the Akian South video? You're welcome. Who said the Akian South video? All right. For the Rum Earth episode, which is your favorite episode? Which episode? Where are you? All right, we are at Disney World Animal Kingdom with it all over the place. Because I said, yes, Emmanuel, you know with your belly, you see the curry chicken and white rice specialty favorite. Oh my god, it is so good. Yeah, we are at Disney World Animal Kingdom, and now we're at one of the restaurants. Then this restaurant here, where is the gorilla in the tree? We passed them. We watched the gorilla they were eating. They actually got in a tree, go pick them food and steal them back from the tree. It was so nice. This week video, I love the soup. After this, this is a monster. Guys, it's absolutely bad night. Can you cook tin mackerel and rice for the next dish? I love mackerel, you know. I can. I love mackerel. Like, I should. Honestly, I should. It is so traditional. Yeah, it is so. Gosh, I know what I would eat. How can you say that? It's like you just know. Yes, so tin mackerel and rice. That will be the next dish. That's crazy. I am dead. Them talk about nice fry. You see? They are. It's the Boba balls. But when they pop, they have so much flavor though. It's really good. We can't wait for the food comes from Toronto. What are you drinking? Oh wow. I don't remember the name, but I know it has tequila in it, blue curacao, and I don't know if it's pineapple juice or drink it here. Testing wine. We're testing wine, guys.
What it we have? Oh, yeah, me get a margarita. Guys, yeah, I expect this is so hot. I'm not the one that's in the head. I started over the like that. Oh, you did? With lime. Ask for water. Yeah, me have water. Them give me water. Me have a lot of water. Thank God. Yeah, this is not it. So what, you know when you bite lime and you rhyme, bricks, you don't say. You don't say. Emmanuel, no, no, bother with it. No, bother with it. You hear me? Don't bother with it. Leave it. Oh wow. At this time, I will get some. You probably have to go get some. Yeah, some lemonade. So strawberry lemonade and call it a day. Bricks, you have to go down. Like, why are you so negative though? Then as some minutes I should have had I fish, I should have had this snapper. I should have done that before maybe. You come over here and you give me. Thank you. Millions. I have God. So we can go and go cook it right now. I just start talking about it. We have to stay cook. Guys, today I will come food. But guys, I'm not gonna lie. The place, commission, it's set up good. Like, look here. Isn't this so cool though? This is so nice. It's only with a person right from the open over your own lounge. It is amazing. I love it. It is. It's a vibe. Honestly, they did good. Emmanuel, okay? Yeah. If you know, you know. Guys, I'm drinking water. I don't want to hear it. Okay, so I'm hydrated. Emmanuel, let me ask you something. You see, the other day when I tell the people then they choose one I dish them. When we post the mackerel saltfish around them with the dumpling night, why you got under the people in post when the people they say they would have eaten number four? I see everything. I see everything. Okay? No, I'm okay. Thank you. with water. Antoinette, welcome back. That's what we drink in water. Okay. I'm excited. I don't know how long it took with Taco Tech already. I just want to see it. Thank you guys. Big up on yourself, everybody that comes also. Thank you so much. No man them greedy. Mr. Campbell don't know. He don't eat. Yes, all Igbo say he don't eat blue jaws. Are you attacking me about a lie? I know me, I mate. But be me and big up yourself. He know me, I mate. Look, we're just gonna stick with water, okay? Then I say me lightweight, guys. Me 100 pounds. You can do all that extra stuff, okay? Let's do that. Yes, Mr. Ellis, you don't say full of water. I'm that way to sit in a cabin with some bread in but you know, look like we are getting a bread strips. Yeah, hear you. I can want a straight line if I want, okay? They have to come down today. Yo, una dilo sa na comment section. Ang kana this one have to deal with. Man, tell me, is when the food come and what una get the food. You know una get the food when the food reach, okay? I so much people may ask from India. Hello, Samira B. Uh, I know you, Emmanuel, because you never trouble me. Are the people who wanted me to walk a straight line and them something. No, me to drink the red. No, and no, remember say it have the boba. Look, it have the boba something in the night. It me I eat. It nice. Guys, how long pork belly take to look both? I don't know. Actually, Kim, I like your thinking. I like your thinking, with you, honestly. Hi, Pearson, Ben. I think you let him live up in a Bacardi.
Guys, I want to tell you all so much. Thank you for hanging out with us today. Emmanuel, Emmanuel, I wanna ask, and I don't think I know how they do. Me no know, no. Like honestly, we wanna know. Honestly, we really need to know how long. You know, pork belly takes a look bored. It have to cook, what we cook really good. And then tell me if you take sticky rice, and then say sticky rice at dessert. Oh, you never know. Oh, wow. I guess no, now we never know. No, we know. Guys, me just stay away from the food, you know, eat now with my right now. Honestly. Hola, Bella. Welcome in. And when my water come in, because somebody already ordered, so I can look through and see what they order. Well, today we spend the day at Disney World, Animal Kingdom. I did a live tour. I brought you guys around. I showed you everything, and now we're having lunch. We're at Tiffins, and we'll be having, I think it's some from a pork belly and sticky mango rice. Yeah, all of these we've never had before, so we're gonna try something new. It's gonna be great. Yes. We also had a drink earlier. We had tequila and Bacardi and some boba balls, which we're now eating and drinking water. Yeah, so we just wait on the food. We love the app. Thank you. Thank you so much. So also guys, we do go like every Sunday. I bring you guys somewhere and bring you around, show you wherever. It's a full experience, just like here. And I do update you guys in my community post. Today I actually made you vote for where you wanted to go and you picked Animal Kingdom. So here we are. Mhm. Here we are. There's no World Animal Kingdom. So now we're in one of these restaurants trying to hopefully them put this. Hopefully make sure they can. Yeah, make sure them. I love it. Yeah, this is a jam function. I come my own area. Just wait till me eat my son about this. Imagine. Oh, if you like my pendant, this is my Jamaica map pendant. Um, you can click on my card right there and you will see the link for it to get a Jamaica pendant. It's stainless steel, by the way, stainless steel. All of my live replays will be posted. So everywhere we've been, I post the live replay. So just in case you missed one week, you can check it out. Hola, oh, kid, Belen, Belize, Yuri. We never expect to see a Bacopayana. Real Jamaican Baco. That is it. And it just looks so much cooler. And it looks so much cooler back first. Right? It looks so much cooler. It's a creep up. Welcome in. Welcome in. Thank you for being here. I never expect to see about you, honestly. How you been? I've been okay. Yeah, we know everybody over here hungry. We're all here waiting on the food. Honestly, we are all here waiting on the food. Like that's why we're all still here. So everybody said them have Sunday dinner already. Some people have brunch to fish, brunch to chicken. You know, every time I see the waiter come, I think that hours and I have to wait. You know, have to stop. Why did you do that all the time? Every time I see waiter and I'm back from, I think I have to wait. I don't have to wait. You know how long we wait on the food? You know how long we wait on the food? Thank you. Guys, the office, for the office gonna, before the reach, wait, gonna look here. Look for the food. Look for, come on. I am screaming. Recall what? I am dead. Jesus Christ. This is crazy. Screenshot. No. Uno sila lupisa. Uno sila lupisa. Suri ako tapos may what is this? What? Bacon. What a scream. What kind of fancy something? Guys, come on, no. Don't have it fixing.
Ah. Oh wow! Thank you. Oh my God, guys, the sticky rice rich. Look at this. You know what kind of fancy food else I look at it? Then I have over there. Hello, hey, Emmanuel, limit. This is the mango sticky rice. You see when you go on fancy fancy food? Yeah. Let's try it, okay? Okay, we're gonna try the pork belly. I don't know what kind of liquid of food this. Oh my God, guys, I'm not gonna lie. This tastes good. This tastes good, but it will look a bit man. You see, they just order for you that it has some stew piece, and it tastes like the fat part of the pork like this. So, oh, I'm cut up everything right now. It tastes good too. Wow, wow. It tastes good. The only problem is it will look a bit. So, it's the fat part of the pork, the fatty part, that's what it. As so it is well seasoned. Like well seasoned, like the flavor, everything. You just come like it's a what explosion. The bad. Yeah, yeah. I feel away. Yeah, jelly, jelly. First, at the flavor for me, it is so well seasoned. And the texture, I like how perfectly soft, like it melts in your mouth. Yes, yes. Mm. You never see it? And then over here, I have the sticky rice. Mango sticky rice. Oh, you know what kind of seasoning for me? I don't know what that's seasoning for.
Fancy food naman. Thank you. Mango sister net, the zero. It's a zero. It's a no for me. Because what? You know when you have oatmeal, but a rice version of oatmeal, and then you have some cool, almost like a cool de leche lemon flavor on the top. No. All me look for the mango, me can't find it. Me now listen to Uno again. God almighty, Uno have to go down. Why Uno never make it check the page? Honestly. The four? Yes. Yes. I'll give it a solid 9. The mango delicious something like this over the I don't mind. I don't know. I don't know if I kind of my taste buds with something new. So I have to come down now. I have to return it. I have to return it. Um, no. Fancy food no man, fancy food no get. You see why I stick to a menu? Hmm? No, may I eat the pork? My son said the pork good. The pork is good. Pork is a 9. But that something that sticky rice, mango something there. Return to the sender. Mm-mm. No. Uh-uh. We're not do this again, okay, guys? So moving forward, this is not what we're gonna do, okay? Hey, I'm screaming. I should. Honestly, because I have to gather myself. I have to gather myself and I have to gather my thoughts. Because before something like this, I look at appetizer, I have to wake up my stomach. Can't for my belly. Mhm. Thank you. As I look on it, like I know. Yes, that's what we're doing, Emmanuel. You enjoy the experience. Isn't it fascinating? Why? The experience is priceless, man. Man, I say, you come like as Marie told me I have to go cooking. As Marie told me, come like I have to go cook. Honestly, if you back up this, this not, they never ready. Nothing beat the grits in mackerel. Honestly, when the waitress come back from I tell her, say, just like to return it to the center. Okay, we're gonna try this now. Jesus Christ. Guys, it's over. I want to tell you guys, thank you for joining us. What is going on? Yesterday menu is not today's. Oh my god. Guys, don't get me wrong. I actually love trying food from different cultures, different places, but make it taste good. Make it taste good. Jesus. Crazy. Am I ready for that? Thank you, Adrian. Next week gonna be 10 times better. You see, this is why when me and order stuff, I don't listen to you guys. Because the choices you make in life are always so concerning. If it could have tasted like cardboard, you would have eaten before. I had clean, kind of moist. And when you see, have a piece of kick right or so. Have a piece of kick right or so. Never heard of it. Alright, let me tell you now. Yes, the one it's different. Look, it look like cardboard.
but that's how plain it is. And say, for example, when right in a minute back, you eat something and you just all you try to find the taste, the flavor, you're not finding. And then you see the little sauce, the little cream sauce where you put on it, it come like a be a lime, but not just lime, it come like a the rind of the lime. So you see when you bite it, it come like it give you a sting. It just connect you one time. I don't know, me I don't twitch out of my head, me I ball in now, twitch out of my head. Emmanuel asked for the yo, this different. We never heard it. Guys, I think you have a wrap this up, okay? I want to tell you guys thank you all so much for watching. This was fun. It was very different. And the lesson that we've all learned today is that um in this economy we're going to stick to what we know. Okay? I cannot listen to you guys because you guys taught me that the choices we make, you don't run it by yourself first before you run it by me. Okay? It was fun. Thank you, Kim. Thank you for being here. Big up yourself. Thank you all. Emmanuel, big up yourself. Thank you so much for being here. Anthony, big up you. Thanks for big up yourself. Every time. Every time. Then big up to myself. Thank you guys. Everybody who vote, everybody who there, everybody who like up the live. I will be posting this live briefly. God, over this. A lesson learned. It wasn't me. Uno sticky mango rice. Where is the rice? Where is the mango? Uno the kingdom today. Hmm? I am leaving. If I say on the next week I saw, but based on this, I think I need some weeks to recoup. I wanted to. Guys, big up on yourself, alright? Love. See you all. Thank you so much for supporting every time. This was too much fun. Bye. No. See you later. That's later. Bye, guys.